Hello students, in this video I am talking about the histology of human alimentary canal. Histology means microscopic study of tissues is known as the histology. So histology of human alimentary canal means a type of tissues with which human alimentary canal is made is known as the histology of human alimentary canal. So the human alimentary canal from esophagus to rectum is having 4 layers. They are serosa, second one is muscularis, third one submucosa, and fourth one is mucosa. Among this, serosa is the outermost layer, whereas this mucosa is the innermost layer. Now, let us discuss each layer of the alimentary canal. First one is serosa. So this is the outermost layer. This is the serosa, outermost layer. Serosa is the outermost layer, which is made up of thin flattened mesothelial cells. So mesothelial cells are the cells which will lines the visceral organ. The epithelium which will lines the visceral organ is known as the mesothelium, and it is also having some connective tissue. And next layer is muscularis. Muscularis is having smooth muscles. So these smooth muscles are arranged in outer longitudinal layer and inner circular layer. So this is the outer longitudinal. So this outer layer actually arranged in the form of tubes, and this is the inner circular layer. So in the case of stomach, at some regions, especially in the stomach region, there is another oblique layer of smooth muscles is present. So that means actually muscularis, in the muscularis, smooth muscles are actually arranged in 2 layers, whereas in the stomach region, smooth muscles are arranged in 3 layers. They are outer longitudinal, inner circular, and there is presence of another oblique layer, oblique muscle layer. So that is about the muscularis. And next, third one is submucosa. Submucosa, this is the submucosa. So it is having loose connective tissue and this connective tissue is having blood vessels and lymph vessels and some nerves also present. In the duodenum region, so this submucosa is having some glands. So that is about the submucosa. And next layer is, that is innermost layer is mucosa. This is the mucosal layer. So this mucosa actually lines the lumen of the alimentary canal. Mucosa lines the lumen. And in the mucosa, we will observe irregular foldings are present in stomach region. In the mucosal layer, so we have irregular foldings in stomach region, which are known as the rugae. So in the small intestine region, so finger-like projections. So these are the finger-like projections are present. So in the small intestine region. Finger-like projections are there, which are known as the villi. These are the finger-like projections, which are known as villi. And the cells of the villi are having the microscopic projections, which are known as the microvilli. So due to the presence of this microvilli, the surface area is increased. And this coming to the structure of villi, so it is having a network of capillaries that will covers the lacteal, a large lymph vessel. So villi is having lacteal, so which is a large lymph vessel, large lymph vessel. And this mucosa is having goblet cells that will secrete mucus, which is helpful for the lubrication. And mucosa in the stomach region is having some glands, which are known as the gastric glands. In the small intestine, between the villi at the basal part, so there are presence of crypts of Lieberkühn. Crypts of Lieberkühn. are present. So these are present between two villi in the basal region. And these are having some stem cells which will secrete the different types of cells. So it is very important to remember the layers that are present in the human alimentary canal. So they will ask the order. So first in serosa, outer, from this is the order of layers from outer to inner. Outer is serosa, and next in the muscularis we have two layers. They are outer longitudinal and inner circular. So this is the order from outer to inner. Outer layer is serosa, and next one is outer longitudinal, inner circular, and next is submucosa, and inner layer is mucosa. So thank you, students. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.